Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I am going to be doing a first impressions review and demo on the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So this is what the this is what the palette looks like here. It actually comes in like a little sleeve right there, but I love the packaging. It is just so cute. And then obviously inside you have the 35 pressed shadows, which are just like the most stunning colors. They are just like every color you would ever think of. It also has a mirror, which is just amazing, so good to take with you, especially to festivals, which is probably where you're going to need this palette. But yeah, I really wanted to get my hands on this palette. I saw it online and I actually didn't know how hyped up it was, so I did just purchase it because it just appealed to me so much, and I didn't realize how popular it was. So I thought I would film this video. I am going to film a lot more using this palette because I feel like the looks with this is endless. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so this palette has a mirror, which is just so good. I've also taped underneath my eye. It is very much bothering me that they are two different lengths, but whatever. So I normally do this when I'm doing new palettes, but I also just generally like it because I feel like it's so much easier. So I think I am going to start bold. I don't know. No, we're gonna go into the crease with this orange shade right here. Not the brighter orange, the slightly more toned down one. Let's see how we go. I guess that was a good choice. Oh, it kind of looks pink. That's so weird. It's okay, this is only the transition. It's actually kind of salmon-y coloured. I quite like it. Be honest, it is not what it looks like in the pan, but that's okay. As long as all of them aren't like that. Okay, then we're gonna go in with that very, very, very vibrant orange right there. Here we go. Ooh, I'm so scared to take like lots of this because I don't know how vibrant it's gonna be. Then I'm going to go over into the purple section, and I'm going to take this purple shade right up here, and I'm going to put this on the outer part. Then I'm going to go in and take that very, very, very deep purple there. Okay, so now I'm actually going to cut the crease using my Tarte Almost Done Shape Tape. And this is in the shade Fair Neutral. Okay, so my camera actually did cut out, but I finished cutting the crease and then I just set it using this stark white down at the bottom. I am just going to go in and pack a couple more, or try and build up that white in the inner corner. So then for the middle, I'm going to go back in with this orange shade. This orange shade isn't as bright as I expected it to be, but you can build it up, which is good. So then I'm just going to go in and make sure there aren't any harsh lines between all the lid colors. I'm actually going to take my finger and see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah, it does. It makes a huge difference. Right. Then I'm just going to finish and put some winged eyeliner on. Okay, so I'm just going to go do the rest of my face and put some falsies on, and I'll be back to do the rest of the eyes. Okay, so for the under eyes, I think I am just going to mimic what is on top. So some blue under on the outer corner and then some orange. And then I'm just going to blend them into each other. And I'm going to finish it off with some mascara. This is my Roller Lash. I was going to do black in my waterline, but I feel like I don't think this needs it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love the pop of orange. I feel like you could get so many great like pops of colors, obviously, looks from this palette, but overall I think it is really good. I was a little bit disappointed but with the orange not coming off as pigmented as it is in the pan, but obviously, as you can see, once you build it up, it does get to that pigment, so it's just fantastic. So at the moment on their side, this is only $11.90. I think it's normally like $17. For 35 colors, that is just incredible. I feel like you could just get so many good looks with this. I'm definitely going to do more looks using this palette because it is just, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. And with the festival season coming up, these colors are going to be just so necessary at the moment. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys are as well. And if you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!